The best DJ turntables can definitely match up to your needs, whether you're a beginner or an experienced DJ. They bring up the classic vibe with a true vinyl feeling, along with the modern customization. While looking for a suitable one, you need to consider the fact that the kind of music you play, adequate functionalities, and also the price you're looking to pay. To help you out, we have listed the 5 best DJ turntables that can rock up your DJ setup. So, without further ado, let's dive in.
At AudioZone, our mission is to help audio fanatics make the right buying decision. We are a team of audiophiles who spend countless times testing out gadgets to make informative tutorials, in-depth reviews, and make your buying decision simple and effective.
For the most demanding DJ performance, you certainly need a DJ turntable that can deliver authentic sound, and the Rane DJ12 Mark II is there to rock the party, giving you full access to its control. Equipped with a 12-inch motorized turntable controller, this turntable is sure to give you a true vinyl-like touch experience while playing track. Besides, its motor can generate up to 5.0 GFCM of high torque, ensuring accurate performance. The turntable lets you have full control over the music, as it offers a dual-mode touch strip for track search and 8 hot cue triggers. For more convenience, the 12 Mark II comes with a USB MIDI controller for Serato DJ Pro, Tractor, and Virtual DJ. You'll also find an OLED screen for instantly seeing BPM and control status. Overall, for precise music with powerful motor and performance, the DJ12 Mark II turntable from Rane should be the one to look out for. For those who are looking to start their DJ career, the Reloop RP2000 Mark II can be a great entry-level turntable for them for spinning up the tune. This dependable turntable includes an improved top panel construction along with metallic buttons that are likely to give you an enhanced feel. The sturdy build quality with optimized damping and shock-absorbing feet improves isolation from unwanted vibration. As for rotating the drives, it comes with a brushless DC motor that can generate higher torque power for a faster precision-engineered platter with minimal latency and flutter. You can set the finest pitch adjustments thanks to a statically balanced S-shaped tone arm and adjustable pitch control with a range of ±8% to 16%. Besides, the turntable will allow you to connect a large number of pickup cartridges with the universal SME connection. So, get yourself a great start with the Reloop RP2000 Mark II, which combines convenient controls with performance without breaking the bank. While a professional turntable might seem a bit expensive, the Pioneer DJ PLX1000 lets you have full access to your music with great performance even at a much reasonable price. To ensure excellent tempo and prevent resonance and vibration, the turntable offers heavy mass along with die-cast chassis. Its super wide pitch control lets you instantly pick up or slow down the tempo to ±8% to 16%, while you can instantly revert the track to 0% via a convenient reset button. Besides, the device also lets you connect interchangeable power and audio cable, and its pro-grade and gold-plated RCA jack ensures low impedance and amazing sound quality. Overall, if you want the classic vibe in a modern form factor, getting the Pioneer DJ PLX1000 can be a great deal. Next up, we have the Reloop RP8000 Mark II, which is an upper torque direct quartz-driven hybrid turntable and can deliver superior performance. Designed for Serato DJ Pro by the leading turntable musicians, this turntable is sure to impress you with its professional-grade features. Moreover, it offers a solid chassis with a heavier mass for ensuring stable performance. By controlling up to 7 different performance modes via the pad section, the RP8000 Mark II provides seamless integration with Serato DJ Pro. And the multi-encoder allows for track browsing directly from the deck and can instantly load to the respective deck. There's also a digital LCD display that shows pitch level, BPM, key, scale, and utility, so that you can spin every tune according to your preference. And with the platter play mode, you'll be able to perform melodically. To make your DJ performance even more engaging, the turntable comes with a double-XL performance pad with RGB feedback. Overall, for professional level tuning, you certainly need the Reloop RP8000 Mark II turntable to make your DJ performance even more appealing. Last but not least, we have the Technics SL1210 Mark II. If you want the absolute best and money is not an issue, this is the turntable to get along with the DJ setup. The Technics SL1210 Mark II has all the capabilities of the original Technics turntable with some added features to match the modern world. One thing that makes this turntable one of a kind is the rock-solid reliability and the outstanding quality of its construction. The direct drive motor and precision quartz movement system deliver accurate pitch control and the overall feel that DJs can't live without. Its vibration-resistant heavy-duty design is perfect for DJ booths and professional nightclubs, as well as mobile and frequent touring purposes. With additional features that include a sleek black steel finish, adjustable tone arm weights, anti-skate control, a pop-up target light, and sliding pitch control, it's got everything. Overall, the Technics SL1210 Mark II can be a great turntable to bring life to any DJ concert and are suitable for everyone whether you're a beginner or a professional. So, that was all about the 5 best DJ turntables for you. Which one would you prefer? We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching the video, and as always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.